Hi, I'm Aaron Globerman, here with the Stan Winston School of Character Arts. Welcome to part 2 of my Creature Maquette molding and casting course. Today I'm going to start with molding the second half of our 2-part mold. We're going to demold this one first and prep it to pour the other side. And then we'll move on to opening up all the other molds, cleaning them out, and starting to cast. And you want to get it as perfect as you can, but sometimes life just doesn't allow that to happen. You'll be okay. After demolding everything, I'm going to do a rough assembly to show everybody how to get it ready for cleanup and painting. Really excited to teach you guys what I've learned over the years, so let's go, let's have some fun.